Welcome friends. Today I will show you the speed of my broadband which I am currently using. Currently I am using CT Cable Connect 60 broadband plan, which is supposed to give me 60 Mbps of upload and download speed both. And one more thing, I use TP-Link TLWR841 N router, which is a 300 Mbps router and gives a maximum of 90 Mbps of download and upload speed. Well, I have chosen 5 portals for testing my speed. First of all, I am going to show you the speed test of the Ookla speedtest.net. Okay, first start the test. Let me remind you, friends, I am using Connect 60, which is supposed to give me 60 Mbps of download and upload speed, and you can clearly see the maximum speed is around 30 Mbps, which is exact half of what I am supposed to get. Okay, then check the upload speed. Again, it is around 15 Mbps, which is 1/4 of what I should get from my company, from my ISP. Well, so the average download speed is 27.19 Mbps and upload speed is 15.06 Mbps, which is supposed to be 60 Mbps in around. Then let us go to fast.com, which is provided by Netflix. Let's check it. It's rolling out. I think I'm having some issue with this. Yeah, it has started. It's showing the speed is around 24 Mbps, which is surely not anywhere near to 60 Mbps. Well, now going to opentest.com. Now let's see what this portal gives, what speed this portal gives. Well, speed is around 30 to 32 Mbps, the download speed, and after that it will show the upload speed. It will check the upload speed. Well, it is around 16 to 17 Mbps. Well, the ping time is quite high, 325 ms, which is quite unusual, and the download speed is 30 Mbps and upload speed is 15.43 Mbps. Then go to netspeed. Okay, netspeed.1. Let's check with a WISNet private limited server. It's showing around 15, 16, 17. The speed is rising, and it is continuing around 20 to 21 Mbps. Okay, now the time of upload speed. It's same again, around 15 Mbps. Well, so now we will check my broadband speed with the Google connection checker, okay, which is provided by Google. So I have to wait for 30 seconds to be completed. So let's what Google shows, what speed Google shows actually. So friends, let's wait for a while and we'll see what is the speed of my broadband connection. So it's quite shocking, 2.496 Mbps. So friends, let me remind you again, I am using CT Broadband's Connect 60 plan, which is a 60 Mbps upload and download speed plan with unlimited data and validity of 30 days. but you can see clearly in speedtest.net provided by Ookla, it's around 27 Mbps download speed and upload speed is around 15 Mbps. In fast.com it is around 24 Mbps. In open speed test it's around 30 Mbps and upload speed is around 15 Mbps. Speed test in speedtest.1 it's around 22 Mbps download speed and 14 Mbps upload speed, and quite shocking result by Google, it's 2.496 Mbps, only 2.496 Mbps. Okay, so guys, you can see how these ISPs are fooling us. They are just looting us. Okay, they are charging for a plan of 60 Mbps, which is around 575 rupees in Kolkata, and they are giving only around 30 Mbps, which is just half. Okay, so guys, you check your broadband speed and let me know in the comment section. Okay, good night guys, that's all for now.